This is the eye spray mop. It is a floor spray mop that is eco-friendly, very cost-effective. This is sold by Mothey Love. So I put this all together. Took me a little bit of time to do. But now that it's all together, I'm excited to use it and try it out. I did fill the leak-proof container with a diluted disinfectant, as it says that's okay to do, which is right here. So I just diluted it down to 1/4 of the suggested size for a gallon. I don't know. So we're gonna try it out. I am going to put this directly in here. I'm trying to be careful not to squeeze this because I think squeezing it actually will push stuff out. So I'm gonna push this back in here and let's see how it works. We'll be back. The pad is installed properly. So we're gonna flip it over. Flipped over, and let's watch the spray. Very easy to use, very light. Got a lot of floor space that needs to be mopped. And while in use, the bottle does not seem to be leaking, which is great. If you set it down, who knows? If I were you, I'd lean it up against a wall. And when removing it and putting it in, you do have to squeeze the bottle a little bit, so there may be a little bit of leak because the top is meant to be kind of open to squeeze out the fluid. So let's see how good of a job this does and how easy the mop head will be to clean. Okay, now we're going to see how well this cleans and how easy it is. Just going to rinse it. And we're wearing the special gloves. It's very easy to rinse under some hot water.
And we can't feel it because all that dirt that we cleaned up is all going out, and it feels like it's really warm, but it's actually really hot.
And then we can also toss this in with the dirty rags and wash it in the clothes washer.
But we decided to hand wash it because we wanted to show you the amazing ones that have flowers on them.
Okay.
So,
all right.
that is all clean now.
Okay.
It was before it was dirty. It turned.
So I'd probably put a little bit of soap on this just to kind of get rid of the extra bacteria. And then really you can toss it in with your rags in the washing machine.
And now it's all nice and new, like new.
All right.
It's all basically
Right.
new. Sorry.
Let's go mop and use the other one.
Yep.
And here is our clean floor in the hallway. Just a little glimpse of what we did. And we use this mop as like a broom too. We swept it all to one place, and then we can just pick it up all at once. This is great, especially if you use an antibacterial spray. It just kind of helps a little to get those extra rough spots and build some arm muscle strength too. I really like spray mop, and there it is, cleaning up nicely. Thanks again for listening, watching the video. This is the Mothey Love Floor Spray Mop. Have a good rest of your day. Please click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks!